How to upgrade your Fifth Third Bank account type. First of all, decide which account type you want to upgrade to by reviewing the available options on the Fifth Third Bank website or by contacting customer service. Next, log into your online banking account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Then, navigate to the account section where you may find options to upgrade or change your account type online. If the online option is not available, you can visit your nearest Fifth Third Bank branch and speak with a representative to discuss your needs and complete the upgrade process in person. Make sure to ask about any fees, requirements, or benefits related to the new account type before confirming your upgrade. Lastly, review your account details after the upgrade to ensure everything is set correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to upgrade your Fifth Third Bank account type. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.